In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Cochrane review poster or a basic poster using the templates that are already provided. To find these templates, you simply go to community.cochrane.org/brand. Here, you will see under Community Templates that there are instructions on how to create these posters, as well templates created in different colors. Choose the template and the color that corresponds to your group. In this example, I'll just choose the first one, which is the blue template. After you've clicked on that link, you will see that in that file, a poster template. Click on that one. You will notice that the poster will come in a landscape version or a portrait version. I'm just going to choose a landscape version in this demonstration. Now, as you can see, there's Cochrane review posters, which have two templates, and a Cochrane basic poster, which also comes in two different templates. You only need to choose one, whichever one you feel you prefer. Now, in this demonstration, I'm going to keep just one review poster and one basic poster to show you. To delete the other template you do not wish to use, simply right-click and click Delete Slide. There you go. Now, this is a Cochrane review poster. Basically, the first step is you want to probably use your own logo. To change the logo on the poster template, simply go to Themes, click Edit Master, Slide Master, and here you will see that you can move the logos around. Now, to delete the template logo and upload your own, simply click on the logo, delete it, go back to Home, and click the picture logo. Here, you want to upload your own logo from your file. Now, see? After you've uploaded it, you can drag it and reposition it so that it displays on the top left-hand corner. Now, make sure that the logo has white space around it, as it meets the Cochrane branding guidelines. You're also able to upload other logos as well. So, for example, I'll upload another logo just to show you. Here, you can place it here. What you want to do is first delete this one and reposition this one by dragging it over. Again, you can make sure that the two logos are aligned and that there are white spaces between it. Please refer back to the Cochrane branding guidelines to know what are the requirements for adding in logos on a poster. Now that you've added in and changed your logo, you can start to change the content. But first off, don't forget to save your file. Save. Now, as you can see, the template actually provides basically all the information that you need that will help you create a poster that meets the Cochrane branding guidelines. Here you can see that in each section, that each part will tell you which font style to use. In this case, it's Source Sans Pro. Which heading to use, even the font size, and in some cases, the font color. All you would need to do is follow these instructions and insert your text here. Now, as you can see, You're able to modify these texts simply by clicking in the box. Here you just change the font size simply for all the text boxes. Now, if you want to upload a graph and insert it onto this poster, you simply just delete this poster, and same thing, you want to add in a picture or a graph that you may have created, retrieve it from your files, and insert it. Here you will see it shows up here, and you can position it according to the template. And that's how you can upload a graph that you've created or a picture that you want to include onto the poster. But basically, following all the guidelines here will help you create a Cochrane review poster that meets Cochrane branding guidelines. Now, for a Cochrane basic poster, the difference is that these ones use just a more simple color. They use the blue, the black, and the gray. Other than the charts from your own file, please stick to using Cochrane blue, your own group color, or gray, as these meet the Cochrane branding guidelines. Now, same thing, if you want to edit text, very simple, just delete the existing text, insert your own text, and follow the guidelines. There you go. Now, if you created a chart, a graph, or a bar graph in this poster, you can edit it. And how to edit a chart or a graph is you simply click on the graph, you right-click, and you click Edit Data. Once you've clicked that, it will take you to an Excel spreadsheet where you're able to change the value or the titles of the graph. So for example, I want to change, just to show you how the graph changes, I'll just change all these to 10s. And I will drag this all the way down. Now, once you've changed everything that you've wanted to, simply just close the Excel file and you will notice that the graph has changed. The proportions have changed according to the numbers that I've inserted. So as you can see, the title testing now shows up, and now they're all changed to 10. If I want to change it again, simply right-click it, Edit Data, and let's click it to 50. And I'll do that. If you're happy with those values, close the Excel spreadsheet, and here you'll notice that the pie chart changes. So it's very simple. If you want to include a pie chart or a graph, you can take this one in the template and insert your own information and insert your own numbers into it. Same thing for modifying a bar graph. Basically, right-click it, click Edit Data, and let's change the value just to show you how the bar graph changes. I'm happy with this, so now I just have to close the Excel spreadsheet, and as you will notice, all these have changed to 100. And that's it. Now, because these are just suggested content layouts, you can definitely change it into the way that you want. And of course, you're free to move the sections around or delete any sections. So remember, you only need to choose one poster template, and whichever one that you don't need, simply right-click it, click Delete Slide, and you've only got one template to work with. And don't forget always to save your work. And that is how you create a Cochrane review poster or a Cochrane basic poster using the templates provided.